Hook. Welcome to our video on investing for beginners, where we'll be sharing the top AI investing hacks to help you grow your wealth. INTRO. Investing in the stock market can seem daunting, especially for beginners, but with the right tools and knowledge, you can achieve financial freedom. In this video, we'll be covering the basics of investing and then diving into our top 4 AI investing hacks, so be sure to watch until the end. Method 1. Our first method is to use a robo-advisor, such as Betterment or Wealthfront. These platforms use AI to optimize your portfolio and maximize your returns. For example, with Betterment, you can invest in a diversified portfolio of stocks and bonds and earn an average return of 7 to 8% per year, which can translate to $3,500 in interest per year on a $50,000 investment. Method 2. Our second method is to use a brokerage account, such as Robinhood or Fidelity. These platforms allow you to buy and sell stocks, and with the help of AI, you can make informed investment decisions. For example, with Robinhood, you can use their AI-powered stock screener to find the best stocks to invest in, based on your risk tolerance and investment goals, and earn an average return of 10 to 12% per year, which can translate to $5,000 in interest per year on a $50,000 investment. Method 3. Our third method is to use a tax-advantaged account, such as a 401k or an IRA. These accounts allow you to invest in the stock market, while also reducing your tax liability. For example, with a 401k, you can invest up to $19,500 per year and earn an average return of 7 to 8% per year, which can translate to $7,000 in interest per year on a $100,000 investment. Bonus. As a bonus tip, we recommend using a platform like Personal Capital, which allows you to track your investments and get personalized advice from financial experts. For example, with Personal Capital, you can get a free financial plan and earn an average return of 8 to 10% per year, which can translate to $4,000 in interest per year on a $50,000 investment. CTA, thanks for watching. If you want to learn more about investing for beginners and get access to our exclusive investing course, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you can stay up to date on our latest videos.